As you may know, my first experience with a waterfall was not that good. Today we will give it another try. We are at Serenbach Wasserfälle in Switzerland. Beautiful, massive waterfalls. I'm flying with my 5-inch quad with a Gopro Hero 7 mounted on top. And if the drone survives, you hopefully will see that footage now. We got our drones back! We just hit some massive dives on the waterfalls. It was pretty insane. I'm speechless. Don't know what to say now. And I hope you had fun watching it. Hit that like button if you want, and see you in the next thing.